Is this your WhatsApp number also? I'm sure you have been asked this question while giving your contact. That's the impact of this one-to-one chat app service that was launched back in 2009. Today, WhatsApp has over 2 billion active users globally, and WhatsApp has been actively working towards introducing a lot of features regularly. Here are 5 new WhatsApp features of 2022 that you should know about. New WhatsApp features that you must know. More participants in voice calls. WhatsApp has announced that the group voice call limit will now be up to 32 people. You heard that right, 32 people. Earlier it used to be 8 people that could be added to a group call. This brings the instant messaging platform closer to other chat apps like Telegram, which has no limit on the number of people that you can add to a group voice chat. Enhanced voice messages. WhatsApp reported that its users share 7 billion voice messages on average, which are protected and kept private using end-to-end encryption. Taking a cue from this, it has launched new features to improve the voice message experience. These include out-of-chat playback. It helps you hear a voice message outside the chat as well while you read and respond to other messages or multitask on your smartphone. Pause or resume recording. You can now pause your voice message recording. For example, if you want to collect your thoughts or do away with distractions and then resume recording again, that feature is now available. Remember playback. In case you press pause while listening to a voice message in a chat, this feature lets you resume from where you left off. Reactions. The chatting interface is now updated with emoji reactions, which are quick and fun to use. The reactions appear under the message when you tap on it and hold it. The user can select the most suitable reaction from the options. The feature helps to reduce the number of messages as well. Privacy control. One of the most awaited WhatsApp updates of 2022 gives users the ability to hide their profile pictures, status updates, and last seen statuses from specific contacts. A new option named My Contacts Except has been added to the existing 3: Everyone, My Contacts, and Nobody. That can be selected from the privacy screen. Screenshot blocking for View Once media. This is another one of those features which I'm pretty sure you must have wished WhatsApp had. When View Once rolled out, it was amazing because once you had sent a photo or video using the View Once feature, neither you nor the recipient will be able to view it again in your WhatsApp chat. But it had a flaw. The flaw lies in the fact that the receiver could take a screenshot. However, it looks like the platform has now recognized the flaw. The platform will no longer allow users to take screenshots of any View Once media. Although right now it is only for iOS, Android users will get this feature soon. So guys, these were the new WhatsApp features that will change the way you use the app. Are you looking forward to more features next year just like we are? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below.